Thanks a lot, folks, and a happy Christmas and a Merry Go Year.
Today is December 23rd, which means it's one day until Christmas, which means it's time for driving home for Christmas. It's a great song, you should check it out. Which also means we're going to my grandma's house in Slovakia, which is a good another 5-6 hours into that direction. We are 1 hour in right now, just in Bratislava at the train station. And yeah, it's still better to drive by car because it's 5 hours instead of 7 hours by train. So, short update from the future. Actually, it was very windy when I was filming the other clip, and yeah, you just couldn't hear my voice at all. So basically what I was saying is that this trip was about 3 C's. It was about cat, carp and carbs. And I think I was also saying that Christmas is like very stressful. So I'm kind of happy to go home to Slovakia where, you know, you can just relax and everything is just closed for Christmas. And yeah, I think that was it. So back to the normal video now. Welcome to the future. We got a long drive ahead. Let's get something to eat. Take a bit. Make a change. Let's go. And we are back. We are back in our house here in Slovakia now. I told you that this trip is gonna be about the 3 C's. I'm gonna show you the first C, which is carbs. I'm gonna put up like a cookie counter for every piece of cake or cookie that I eat. It's gonna go up +1. So let's start at 1. I'll show you the next 2 C's. Now for the second C. It's in there. Let's go.
Ah, there she is. This is my cat, Nami. She lives with my grandparents right now.
I used to have 2 cats here, but the other one died unfortunately. This one is getting a bit old too. And as for the third C, well, I'd like to show you, but I can show you where the third C used to be. Used to be this. You can actually still smell it pretty strongly. The third C is carp. So in Slovakia, what we do is for Christmas, we always eat carp, as in the fish. And what we do is we keep it in our bathtub. Basically, we kept it there for like 1 week, and then my grandpa killed it yesterday, unfortunately. So it's already cut into pieces and ready to be eaten tomorrow for Christmas. That's gonna be it for my first day here in Slovakia. I'm gonna continue the cookie counter, of course, because I'm gonna eat so much more cookies today. The 2 updates since yesterday. I think the cookie counter right now is at 7, so let's update that. And then the second thing is, I actually forgot my laptop charger at home in Vienna, so yeah, I mentioned earlier that I have a lot of work to do. And that's not gonna be possible without a laptop charger, so the plan right now is to go to like a store. They have opened here until 12 on Christmas Day, and try to find this laptop charger before cooking Christmas. And I'm also gonna take up my drone because I think it looks quite nice. Never taken it up in snow, so let's see what happens with that thing. Great success. I found my charger for the PC, and right now my mom is just doing some last minute Christmas shopping as usual. And one cool thing that you find often here in Slovakia is this vending machine where you can get fresh milk 24 hours of the day. throw in some money, and you get fresh milk. So if you ever crave milk at 3 AM on a Saturday, that's how you know you get it. And let me show you. The snow started coming down pretty heavily. So right now, looks like we're gonna get some pretty nice white Christmas, which everybody's dreaming of, as you know. And yeah, right now the plan is to go back home. I see if I go maybe for a quick forest hike later, or help prepare the food, and then go for a forest hike tomorrow. But yeah, we like white Christmas. So I think we can. One moment. I think there were a lot of off-screen cookies, so I think we can put the counter to around 17 right now. It's gonna be 21 after this. So we just had our Christmas dinner where we had 3 kinds of fish. We had the traditional carp, we had some catfish, and then we had some other kind of white fish. And then we exchanged presents. So right now it's my favorite part of this video. It's gonna be the unpacking, or I actually already unpacked them, but it's gonna be the bragging of all the stuff I got. So yeah, enjoy. So here we go. Number 1, this very elegant, nice sweater, courtesy of my girlfriend, Judy. Another very nice blue sweater, courtesy of my girlfriend, Judy. Number 3, this very elegant X shower gel, and this is my favorite present. It's an album, yay, of Judy and me. A nice scrapbook full of memories. More body care stuff. We got a scale, because the last time we flew I was way over and we had to spend like an extra 30 minutes at check-in or something. We got some cooking stuff. Got some boxers. Got socks. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, and then 5 pairs, 6 pairs of socks. Got some more body care stuff. Our custom Adam spoon. And then the last thing is stuff for cooking. Pad Thai, and some tom yum ga, I think what it's called. So yeah, it's all my loot. Pretty great loot for Christmas. That's it for our second day here. Alright, I'm gonna show you one more cool thing. This played with an old Czechoslovak high quality blade recorder from the 1970s. Let's see how it sounds. It's now December 25th, and we are on our way to go bobsliding. Julie's packed up like a penguin, and always packed up like a penguin because it's cold for her. So we got our bobsled here, nice and ready. And we're gonna go up to those hills right now to slide a bit. Julie's really looking forward to it. She's excited. Yay! Let's go. So we just made it to the almost top of this hill, or I made it. Judy, she gave up somewhere there, and yeah, now it's gonna be time to slide down and also fly my drone.
So it seems like Julie had a lot of fun sliding down. I think I took some decent drone follows, and right now I'm just trying to catch up because my mom and my brother Julie are somewhere down there. And yeah, I really like this place. I usually always come here when I come home for Christmas or for any other holiday or something. I always come here because it's really nice. I haven't actually shown you everything. There's like up there, there's like a really nice forest. But you know what? I actually just might go to there. So, small change of plans. Well, I said that I might go back to the forest earlier, but my batteries ran out for camera and drone. So went home, had a quick recharge, ate some duck, and right now it started actually snowing like crazy. And yeah, it's very difficult to see jack shit, but yeah, I'm still going up there. You cannot see it anyways right now. It's just way too snowed in, but when I go up to the forest over there, I think there's some other people out for a hike, and yeah, hopefully take some cool drone shots there. Hopefully it's not gonna be completely white out up there. Should be fine. Let's go. Look at this light. You got really nice sunset happening over there. It's like this really nice pink sky, and then everything else is just white, completely white. This is so nice. It's nice. So my plan is to go up on that hill, probably maybe a bit further, depending on how tired I'm gonna be, and then fly the drone. And yeah, fly the drone. I think I'll get some cool shots here. So enjoy some really nice drone footage from this really nice forest. So I just made it to one of the top locations here in Todoshin. It's this outlook where you can. They built it pretty recently. Like we saw it the first time like a year ago, and yeah, you have a pretty good view of like the city. You can see the neighboring city over there, and you can also see. Let me show you this lake. Yeah. That lake over there, which has a pretty nice island on it, and yeah, I think it was pretty cool. Right now I'm kind of freezing, so my goal right now is I'm just gonna change the batteries of the drone and then walk straight over down there. There's a house. I'm gonna walk down there from here. While flying my drone, and then warm up, and I think tomorrow is only going home because it's it's gonna be our last day. We're leaving at 9 in the morning, so yeah, it was nice coming home for Christmas, and I think this is a good point to end the video. So yeah, if you enjoyed this kind of video, like it, subscribe if you want more, and yeah, stay tuned. See ya.